Been here over, I think, 21, 22 years. School day starts at 8:20. Morning, everyone. Oh, look, some books have been returned. I've got to check them in. This is almost like kind of working at a supermarket. Tick, tick. And then I'll put them on the shelf. This is my space. Yeah. Lovely little desk here. And it's used a lot by children. At break times, the year 8s are allowed to come up and catch up with their work. We often have meetings in this room. When there's kind of a lull and there aren't any kids around and I know it's, let's say, at break, I often just walk up these stairs, just look outside, just look at the view, and just watch the kids playing and having their snack. And it's just a very nice, calming part of my day. This is my pride and joy, the board in the news. It's just basically a bullet point, but it kind of, the kids then come up and ask more about what I've printed out, and they actually really enjoy reading the current news. This is the year 8 leavers book, and funny enough, even like the year 3s and 4s love coming to look. They say, oh, I remember, you know, Mr. King, or there's my brother's signature. They get, you know, they think it's quite fun. David Walliams is a very, very well-read author in this library. He's written, I think, almost over 20 books, made a few into movies, so that's, the kids love that. You know, Anthony Horowitz, Roald Dahl's still very, very popular. Science department uses this library, you know, DT, English learning support, music. And so there's a huge variety. There's buildings, animals, birds, weather, plants, you know, science, food and cooking. It's a very conducive little area. They love it. And then once they've chosen their book, they come over here with their teacher, and then they spread the bean bags, and then she tells them a story. The library has been built in the correct part of the school because it's, the kids walk past here from year 3, year 4, year 7 and 8. The dining hall is below us, ICT room's just on the left. It was just a storage space for the theatre department. They would hang up all their costumes here. And then the brainwave idea, let's just convert that into a library. And it's been, I mean, we had open day last week, and I mean, every parent that came through just was bowled over. Just couldn't believe the light that comes in and the warmth, you know, the warmth that it emits. It just, you know, it sells itself. I often, on purpose, when I'm driving my bus in the morning before I come to school, I'll listen to Radio 1, Radio 2, so then I can chat to the kids about music. And then just listening to the kids and they're seeing what they're reading. And I say, oh, you know, what book are you reading? So it's kind of the chatting to the children and the members of staff, Almas.